Diamond Grip Tite PVC pipe is the simple solution for PVC pipe joint restraint. The Grip Tite system combines Diamond Plastics Corporation's AWWA C900 PVC pipe with the Hydro Grip internal restraint gasket. When Diamond Grip Tite PVC pipe is purchased from Diamond Plastics Corporation, the original Reber gasket used during the manufacturing and hydro testing processes will be removed from the bell raceway. A Hydro Grip gasket will then be test installed to confirm that the bell is suitable for use with the Hydro Grip gasket. Diamond Grip Tite pipe will not be shipped with the Hydro Grip gaskets installed. Rather, they'll be provided in separate packaging with each shipment. This allows the bell raceway to be cleaned prior to installation of the Hydro Grip gasket and joint assembly. If a Hydro Grip gasket was purchased elsewhere and needs to be installed in a standard Diamond Plastics AWWA C900 product, the original Reber gasket must be removed. Extreme caution must be taken not to damage the bell raceway during gasket removal. Screwdrivers or other tools with sharp edges should not be used to remove the original Reber gasket. Damage to the bell raceway can prevent the joint from sealing. If the bell raceway is damaged during removal of the original Reber gasket, that length of pipe should not be used. Once the original Reber gasket has been removed, it should not be reinstalled in the bell raceway. Prior to installing the Hydro Grip gasket in the bell raceway must be cleaned. Use a clean rag to remove all dirt and other foreign material from the bell. This is a critical step for ensuring a successful installation. Once the interior of the bell is clean, the Hydro Grip gasket can be installed. To install the Hydro Grip gasket in the bell raceway, hold the gasket in your hand and form a V-shaped loop. Ensure proper orientation of the Hydro Grip gasket when installing in the bell raceway. When looking into the bell, the restraint teeth should be located between the gasket sealing surface and the bell opening. Place the Hydro Grip gasket in the raceway and expand it to seat it in the bell raceway. Wiggle the gasket to make sure it's fully seated. The gasket should fit snugly and uniformly in the bell raceway and not spin freely. It's important to note that the gasket installation is easier in temperatures above 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not apply joint lubricant to the Hydro Grip gasket. Doing so could cause the gasket to be displaced during joint assembly. Joint lubricant should be applied to the joint's spigot end only. Apply a layer of joint lubricant to the bevel of the spigot and approximately 1/2 inch of the pipe barrel. Make sure the bevel, spigot, and lube are clean of any dirt or foreign material. The use of bell holes will aid in preventing foreign material accumulation. Straight alignment is key for proper assembly. Misalignment of the pipe, spigot, and bell increases the assembly force required to assemble the joint and increases risk for gasket displacement during insertion of the spigot into the bell. Assembly depth must be closely monitored. Due to the restraint mechanism of the Hydro Grip gasket, an over-inserted spigot cannot be pulled back to proper assembly depth without damaging the pipe and joint. Two major keys to longevity for PVC pipe, whether it be standard Diamond C900 or Diamond Grip Tite, are making sure you do not over-insert the joint or deflect the joint more than 1 degree in any direction. More information on best installation practices for PVC pipe can be found in our Keys to Longevity video. Proper installation and inspection ensure that you maintain the keys to PVC longevity and will have a system that operates properly for 100 years or more.